Hello, my name is Mercedes Perez, and the topic I chose to research was Tay Sachs disease. I'll be discussing what this disease is, how it is developed, symptoms, and treatments for it. So let's begin with what Tay Sachs is. It is a rare genetic disorder passed to a child by the parents who are carriers of Tay Sachs. If both parents are carriers, there is a 50% chance that the child will inherit the defective hex A gene and will have Tay Sachs disease. If only one parent is a carrier, there is a lower chance the child will have this disease. The child will still be a carrier of Tay Sachs if only one parent is a carrier. Tay Sachs involves an enzyme called beta-hexosaminidase A. Those who are diagnosed with this disease lack this enzyme. I will go more in depth with this on the next slide. This missing enzyme has an effect on our central nervous system and how it functions. Now let's get more in depth with the development of Tay Sachs. Okay, so the enzyme hex A is supposed to break down fatty acids called GM2 ganglioside. Without this enzyme, the fatty acids aren't being broken down, causing buildup in the neurons. With this buildup, it causes cells to die that results in the body functioning poorly. In the picture to the left, you can see two different images of the brain. The image to the right is a normal brain, and the image to the left is the brain with Tay Sachs. And then if you look towards this part right here, where that white is, that's where the disease is forming. Okay, there are three different types of Tay Sachs disease. They are infantile, juvenile, and late onset adult. Each of these depend on when the person is diagnosed with Tay Sachs disease. The most common and fatal one being infantile. This usually ranges from 3 to 10 months old, and the lifespan is only a couple years. Juvenile is the second one, ranging from ages 2 to 10, and the third one, late onset adult, ranges from 20 to 30 years old. The symptoms for these three types are all very similar: loss of motor skills, mobility, muscle weakening, and the most common symptom, seizures. Although there isn't a cure for this disease, there are some treatments you can go through to ease the pain in the body and make life more comfortable for you. Okay, so some treatments to help make life more comfortable for those living with Tay Sachs are anticonvulsant medications to help control the seizures, physical therapy to help with mobility and muscle weakening, occupational therapy to help with mental functioning, speech therapy, and respiratory care to prevent lung infections.